Hi guys, and welcome back to the best channel on YouTube. So yeah, I haven't posted in a while. I have stuff planned. I'm talking to a couple of people. I'm getting some stuff together, so be prepared for some exciting content this coming 2022. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm heading out now. I have a couple of rounds I want to go and do. So let's see how that goes. So here's my luck, guys. Here is my luck. We have a flat tire. Sorry, the car is dirty. It really rained yesterday, and I was just about to wash the car, and I realized I have a flat tire. So I think I'm gonna take this opportunity to teach a couple of people how to change tires. I remember some people mentioned that they would like me to do a little, tutorials on how to change tires and check your oil and those kind of things. So you're in luck. I have a flat tire. In order to change your tires, you need sets and stuff, and these are the stuff. You need this, and then you need your jack stand. You can find all of those in the boot. Yeah, so check your boot, lift off where your spare tire is, and it should be there. Okay, so what I'm gonna teach you is, for some tires, right, or some rims, you have like these, lugs in there. Some cars you could just directly use this. Some cars like mine, you need an Allen key. So you have to be sure that you have this Allen key. If you misplace it and you're somewhere, it's gonna suck for you. So yeah, goes here. See? And then take this. Now I need my two hands. So now we've gotten to the important part where you lift the car up. There are points where you have to put the stand. So look, you see this line, you have to fix it in between. There's a rail here, so you have to fix it in there. I almost forgot to mention, you have to chock the tires. So you can find yourself a stone. And then, since we are changing, or we're taking off the back tire, you put this in front, so that the car doesn't go back. Now it's time to lift the car. So this height is enough. You don't necessarily have to go too high, just enough for the tire to be, off the ground. Now, okay, so basically before I had loosened the nuts. I want to just assess the tire to see what's going on. Now you see the tire is dirty, so I've come around the tap. I'm gonna wash the tire to see like if there's anything actually wrong with it. Maybe a nail or some object has gone into the tire. So I'm pretty sure it's a nail. So let's see. So I was right. A nail is in the tire. Unfortunately, I don't have any repair kits here, so I would have to take the tire to the vulcanizer to get them to sort it out for me. Yeah, my luck. So now we are back and we have to put the tire back on. Well, that's easier. So I've just dropped the car. Basically I'm done. I just have to put the things back together into where I took them from. So guys, I just want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to do a couple more of these videos, put it there in the comment what you want me to do, what you want to see, you know. Let's go on. As I said, I have some fun content coming through. I want to start reviewing cars and then, you know, doing features on the channel. So if you have a car you want featured on the channel, DM me. I'll put my details down there. You can shoot me an email or you can DM me on @CarSuspectGH, and then we can take it from there. Yeah guys, Christmas is coming, so take care of yourselves and make sure you mask up still, as there's still COVID. So thank you for watching. Peace.